Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. As you'll see in the photos, this boat does have the new Lagoon Blue hull sides. That's new for Sea Ray in 2021. First we'll start at the way we've powered this boat. It has the upgraded 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. You have the gray sea deck matting across the swim platform and in for your walkthrough. One of the great things about this boat being an outboard is the amount of storage space you get underneath the sun pad. Plenty of room for your beach chairs and all your extra gear, and some additional space over on that side as well. This boat has the stone interior package, so it's the light gray with the black trim. Underneath the bench seat here, you do have another storage compartment that does have a drain built in, so you can use that as a second cooler on board the boat. This boat's set up with the captain's chair at the helm and then the bench seat on the port side. This gives you a double wide seat over here, and then this seat is removable and will stow here to give you a forward facing seat on this side as well. I don't know if you can see it in the video with the daylight, but this boat does have the blue LED lighting package that backlights the cup holders and some strip lighting throughout the boat. This boat also has the upholstery upgrade and the stainless steel package. As the Infinity woven carpet liner. At the helm, we've optioned this boat out with the 5-inch Simrad GPS and depth finder. You have a Fusion stereo, tilt wheel. In front of the companion seat, you have a lockable glove box. Plenty of storage underneath the console there. You have a nice big ski locker in the floor. As we make our way up to the bow, you have a bow block-off window that'll close. Two nice full-length loungers up in the bow with curved backrests. As I mentioned earlier, this boat does have the upholstery upgrade, so that's going to wrap those backrests all the way around, as well as give you that vinyl inlay by the grab handles and speakers. So that's a real quick look at our 2021 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. If you'd like to see this boat in person, stop down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, or give us a call at 910-256-8100.